Wow, I got almost 2,000 new subscribers in the last couple months. My Easy Christmas Candy video and Bob's Burgers videos did really well. So what do I do now? I've got to keep that momentum going. Got to make some new videos that will make my new subscribers happy. They came here for Christmas candy and Bob's Burgers videos. Candy and burgers. Candy and burgers. I know! I'll do a month of vegan videos! In all seriousness, hi everyone, new subscribers and old. No, this is not clickbait or a bit. I actually am going to be doing a month of vegan videos on this channel. To those of you who are new to the channel and subscribed because of the Christmas candy video or Bob's Burgers videos, I am not a candy making channel, I'm not a burger channel, I'm not a cookbook review channel. I am a home cook who loves food and who loves experimenting with food. And on this channel, I like to share my favorite recipes, money-saving tips, and some of my food experiments, such as this one. I have done other, I ate like thus and such for a day, I ate like thus and such for a week, or I ate like thus and such for a month videos. You should check all those out if you haven't already seen them. Those are some of my favorite videos that I've done on this channel. I really enjoy doing these kinds of videos, and it's been a while since I've done one, and I've been wanting to do a vegan one for a while, so I decided to do my version of Veganuary. So what is Veganuary? In case you don't know, it's basically where you are vegan for the month of January. I think it sort of originated because it's the new year. This is the time when people are making New Year's resolutions, many of which involve like eating better or being healthier in general or whatever, especially after all that Christmas candy and burgers. So Veganuary is where you are like vegan for the entire month of January. I am not going to be eating 100% vegan for the entire month of January. What I am going to be doing is I'm going to be eating one unique vegan meal every single day for the month of January. What do I mean by unique? I mean that I can repeat the same meal more than once, but it cannot count in the total. I need to have 31 unique, different vegan meals by the end of the month. Also, in the spirit of uniqueness, I'm going to try to have a big variety in the kinds of meals that I eat. I'm going to try to have an equal number of breakfasts, lunches, dinners, snacks, and desserts. So I'm not going to be just doing like 31 different smoothies. I think that would be kind of boring. Maybe you wouldn't think that would be boring, but I think it would be boring. So here are some disclaimers of what this video series is not going to be. So first, if you are one of those people who cringed or felt a little defensive every time you heard me say the word vegan, don't worry, I'm not going to be yelling at people in this series like, you must go vegan or you must eat vegan food. I myself am an omnivore. It would be pretty hypocritical of me to be like that. But on the flip side, this video series is also not going to be a series that mocks vegans. It's not going to be like me struggling as an omnivore to eat vegan and oh, everything tastes so bad and I have no energy, and the thumbnail is like me holding up a box of plant-based milk and making a sour face at it. This is going to be an honest and good faith exploration of the vegan foods that I genuinely like and the vegan foods that I have been curious to try. And another disclaimer of what this video is not going to be, it is not going to be absolutely 100% orthodox vegan. I know there's levels. I'm anticipating receiving comments on some of these videos of, you used white flour in that recipe and that's not vegan because it has bone char in it, maybe. Basically what I mean when I say vegan for these videos is that it is food that has not come directly from animals. There's no fish, no meat, no eggs, no dairy, and also no honey, even though that's a bit controversial. So like I said earlier, this video series is going to be 1, an exploration of the good vegan foods that I already like. 2, it's going to be an exploration of new vegan foods that I've been curious to try. I'm finally going to try the Impossible Burger, for example. I've never tried it. I've heard of it many years ago and I've been curious to try it. Finally gonna try it. Even though I am an omnivore, I already eat a lot of vegan food, and chances are you probably do too. You might just not think of it as vegan. So hopefully through this video series, vegans and omnivores alike can learn something. So since videos like this usually start with a grocery haul, here is my grocery haul for the first week and also carrying over a little bit into the rest of the month of Veganuary. And here it is in all its glory. Over here we have like the very, very vegan section of the groceries, including Impossible Burger meat. I mean, it's not really meat, it's fake meat. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited to try it. Then we've got our plant-based milks. We have your almond milk, your oat milk, and coconut milk is my usual go-to, and soy milk, classic, and some vegan butter, which is twice as expensive as regular butter, and some cheese. Vegan cheese singles. It's kind of like American cheese, which is already sort of fake. And then we've got red lentils for protein, chickpeas for protein, and pecans and pepitas, or pumpkin seeds. And then our grain section. I'm going to be eating a lot more grain than this, but this is what I bought. Potatoes and popcorn kernels and pasta. As long as there's no eggs in it, and there's no eggs in these, it's vegan. And then we have our vegetables and fruits. I've got onions and sweet potatoes, butternut squash, carrots, some lemons and some sweet peppers, and then canned tomatoes. I always keep a bunch of these in my pantry, and some cuties because they're in season, and lettuce, and for my Impossible Burger, and bananas. I plan on releasing 4 videos total throughout the month of January and probably 1 in February. Each block is going to have 8 vegan recipes, except one of them which will have 7 because math. And my patrons on Patreon will get daily updates with every new vegan recipe that I eat every single day. And I will be uploading at least one video during the month of January that is not vegan. My husband is not going to be participating with me. He's going to be eating some of the vegan food with me, but not all. So he's going to be eating some of his own stuff. And one of the things that he eats is an old bachelor favorite of his, which we're going to also share in the month of January, and it's not vegan. Anyway, if you are vegan, good news. Most of the stuff I'm making in January is going to be right up your alley. And if you're not vegan, stick around. Really, seriously. Chances are you probably are going to like a lot of these recipes. Like I say, these are mostly vegan things that I genuinely already like. And most of the recipes I'm going to be making are pretty easy and approachable. So if you're new to plant-based eating, but you've been wanting to give it a try, hopefully this can be a bit of a jumping off point. I guess that's all. Happy New Year! Assuming I get this video up on time.